Alright guys, a quick video on the TechSmith Fuse app. Once you've gone to the Play Store, downloaded and installed onto your phone, you want to go into your Camtasia, go to File, go to Connect Mobile Device, Q code comes up. Once you've scanned that Q code on your phone, it'll pair your phone with your Camtasia. Now once that's paired and you're ready to transfer some files over from your phone, or you need to take something right away, go right to your Fuse app. So once it opens up, you have the option for library, video, and photos. Once you let's click on library, it's going to open up. It'll show you your Fuse library, gallery, and screenshots. So whatever you've taken a video of or picture, and when you go to share it to your Camtasia or transfer it, it'll save it into your Fuse library. So then from here, if you go into gallery, it goes into your photos in your phone, screenshots that you've taken, it'll go there. I want to go ahead and move that file over. I want you to see how fast this will transfer it over. Once you click on it, you want to click share, and then it gives you these three options down here. You want to click on Camtasia, and then when you look to the left hand side, you'll see how fast it imported it. Now let's go into gallery and pull that video there. It's about 1 minute and 9 seconds, and see how fast that works. Click share, Camtasia, and look how fast that is. Now that quick, you can get your files from your phone into your bin and start editing it right away, instead of having to connect your phone, to your computer, searching for the files and moving them over. Now, where is it putting them in on your computer? Okay, so it'll save it in Documents, Camtasia, and then you got creates a folder named Media, and in there it will save all of your documents that I've shared from my my phone will be saved here. Even though if I delete it off of my phone, if I go to the Fuse library, I can delete everything here, but it'll still keep it in the media bin in the Camtasia, right? So then media folder, sorry, not the bin. And from here, if you need to kind of transfer it over into your projects, then you can then turn around and transfer them right there. That easy. Hope this video helped you out. Take care. Until the next one.